So you can't afford the Armor 28 Ultra series because you're on a budget. Well, Ulefone has you covered because the brand has released the Armor 28 Pro, which is a much cheaper version of the Armor 28 Ultra series. Now the 28 Pro and the Ultra series are very identical in terms of specs and design, and of course there are just few major differences that I'll mention in this video. So without further ado, let's head into it. So as I mentioned earlier, the Armor 28 Pro and the Ultra series are very identical, okay? But there are some differences, and they include, number one, the processor. So the Armor 28 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G 4nm octa-core processor, and as we all know, the Armor 28 Ultra is powered by the flagship Dimensity 9300 Plus 5G 4nm octa-core processor. Now the second difference is the memory. The Armor 28 Ultra, as we all know, utilizes 16GB RAM and it has 1TB of UFS 4.0 internal storage. But the Armor 28 Ultra, although has the same 16GB RAM, but its internal storage has been cut in half from 1TB to 512GB. But 512GB is still a massive internal storage. And the last difference is the fact that the Armor 28 Pro will not be able to record up to 8K videos, just like the Armor 28 Ultra, but can record 4K videos, which is still impressive in my opinion. Anyways, these are the major differences between the Armor 28 Pro and the 28 Ultra. Every other specs of these devices are the same thing. And speaking of cheaper and so on, the Armor 28 Pro costs about $399.99. It's currently available on AliExpress. If you're interested, make sure to use the links in the video description and in the comment section. So as you can see, the Armor 28 Pro is a relatively impressive device, and you'll be getting these specs for just $399. What do you think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and as I mentioned, if you're interested in the Armor 28 Pro, or maybe you cannot afford the Armor 28 Ultra, then the Armor 28 Pro is the best option for you. So make sure to use the links in the video description and comment section. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.